don't really matter where we come out at. It's a nice ride.
Yeah, it's a nice road. My gosh, you're getting out? Oh, watering the tires, right?
No, listen to the point of the
Hey guys, today we are doing some winter exploring. We're just going down some forest roads, driving through the woods, seeing what we can find. We come across this pretty lake, and we always love to check out the lakes. Bass Lake, near the town of Tomahawk. I know at this time of year, nature is not at its most beautiful, but it is definitely still beautiful.
Hi.
All I can see is a red blotch. What a goofball. Yeah, it's at Turtle Lake. Dead end, so it must go right out to the lake.
Right to the club.
Park. It's Turtle Lake Park.
I don't see no park. I see a road. Hi.
Oh, look at this little. I think I'll walk up there and see what's what.
Hey, they got a shoe there too.
Oh, I wonder if it's open.
I don't know.
So what we're doing in our exploring today, guys, is we always see a lot of lake roads, like Big Lake Road, Small Lake Road, Baby Lake Road, etc. And we always wonder to ourselves, is there actually a lake at the end of this road? So today we're going to check out some of the lake. Every time we see a lake road, we're going to go down and see if there's actually a lake. So far we're doing good. We found Turtle Lake Road. So we come down this road, and there's this little park, mainly just a boat landing, toilet, and up at the top of this hill there is a picnic area. So check it out. Ooh, wow. I scared up a whole flock of partridge. Holy smokes. Fire pit. Nice up here. Dang it. Keep scaring up them partridge. A nice spot to do some kayaking or fishing, have a picnic. Go take a look at the lake and see how many lake roads we can find. And so far we're 2 for 2. So Turtle Lake Road is right off of Highway 52 in the town of Lily. So if you'd want to come and check out the lake, do some fishing or kayaking. Turtle Lake has springs, thin ice, and is dangerous. Okay. Yeah, nice small lake. It'd be fun to paddle the shore and do some exploring. Trouble is we find all these nice places and we forget to come back when the weather's nice. Okay, little chickadee, where did you go? Okay, well, let's head her out and see if we can find another lake road to check out. Let's see.
Hey, Wolf goes that way. Some kind of landing goes that way.
Wolf River Landing.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do a river too. What the hell?
Ah, what's the difference? It's water. You're prejudiced against water? No, if it comes to a big downhill, we're backing out. Because they know where I climb a hill, a huge hill, this little car.
Okay, so at the end of Wolf River Landing Road, we found a landing on the Wolf River. Yay! 3 for 3. Wolf River is very popular for tubing and floating. Here we go, Sawyer Lake Road. Look at that.
Yeah.
So let's see if we can find Sawyer Lake.
Little cabins out front. Boat landing road. Want to go see?
Ah, there's a lake. That must be Sawyer Lake.
Want to go down here then?
Sure, we just stop at the boat landing. You said a lot of times boat landing is the only way you can see the lake.
Yeah.
Where the hell is it?
Right here. Wow,
Oh,
really?
Jeez.
There you go.
Well, we did find Sawyer Lake, but it's all developed, so definitely not a place we'd want to come back to, I don't think. There is a boat landing. Ooh, nice and woodsy over on that side. Looks like there might be some nice kayaking here, but a lot of houses. So let's continue our exploring.
All right, what's coming up here?
Oh, it looks like Lake Road. Rose Lake Road.
Yeah, we'll go.
Sure. So now we're on the hunt for Rose Lake, going down Rose Lake Road.
Oh, a couple fucking roads down here. Was this the road we gotta take?
Yeah, this is another Rose Lake Road.
That's where
Rose Lake Drive. Oh, Rose Lake Drive. Can I try it?
Huh. But maybe not there's no lake here. Oh, a shitter out here. There's a lake.
There is a lake out
Yeah,
here.
there is a rosy lake. And a pretty good sized shitter there,
Look
too.
the shitter.
Some guy left his shit in his stuff there. Left his window down where he did. No parking behind this point. I can tell you, love, I gotta drop you off and leave. Well, I'll get you down where there ain't no ice.
Okay. Well, another success, guys. We went down Rose Lake Road and we found a lake. Another nice little small kayaking fishing lake. I can't wait till spring when all the lakes become lakes again. Well, that's 4 out of 4, so I feel comfortable saying that most of the time, if you go down a lake road, you're going to find a lake. That's what our research has found today.
What?
I said our research has found today that most of the time you go down a lake road, you are going to find a lake.
Okay. All right, what's this say now? It's a new sign.
Some kind of trailhead, track 52 trailhead.
What the hell's that? Let's find out.
I don't know. We've been down this road 100 times.
Yeah, I've never saw a sign before, did you?
No, they put up some new signs, just like them rec area signs they put up. This could be the trailhead.
Track 52 trailhead right here.
It's a trailhead.
Yeah. Horsey Park, Kettlebell Recreation
it is.
Area.
It's definitely a new sign.
Yeah.
Huh. Multi-use trail, I wonder?
I think so. Trail start. Okay, I'm glad of that.
Dog sled trail.
Yeah.
Hiking.
Hiking and
Sled
snowshoeing.
dog trails.
Yeah.
Cool.
Hey, something we got to check out.
Yeah, a new trail we can do.
There's 2 different ways, huh? They don't tell you which way to go, do they?
Unless it loops around and comes back.
Huh? A possibility.
Yeah, it probably loops through the woods for so long and then comes back.
Huh.
Nice.
Yeah, cool. Oh. Come on, come on, come on, come on, don't break. Shit.
Back down we go. Cool.
As that thing says, snowmobiling. Alright.
Dog sled, hiking, and skiing.
How's that thing up there? Huh. Curious.
What?
The sign up there. Up here.
Another sign up here?
Dog sledding this way.
Oh,
Yeah,
here.
dog sled trail.
It goes this way too.
Yeah.
West Loop. Holy shit, it's a whole system like.
Yeah.
Yeah, we definitely gotta hike these babies in the
The
spring.
West Loop, the South Loop, and the North Loop, and the Stinky Loop.
And it looks like an easy trail, so.